guys, so today's video is going to be about this new wall right here because you guys have given me so many compliments. Your wish is my command, so here we go. I transformed this boring wall to this colorful, beautiful wall. I'm going to explain everything step by step. I'm sure you guys are interested in watching this, so without further ado, let's get started. Hey you guys, this is our first project. 22nd of June और almost 6:45 बज गए हैं. So this is like the living room का main corner and it's kind of tricky because ये wall जो है वो पूरी plain नहीं है, यहाँ पे ऐसा dip आता है. So there was another idea which I was gonna implement here, but in the morning when we were taking measurements वो काम नहीं आया and we realized कि वो नहीं अच्छा दिखेगा यहाँ पे because of this dip right here. Everything is Pinterest inspired, so the credit goes to Pinterest, whoever has uploaded that picture. It's not my idea, okay? So we have come up with this idea right now, which we are supposed to do on this wall right here, and we will involve this wall a little bit. Didi and I are sitting and drawing like a dhacha on paper. You should always do this. Do not directly start on the wall, okay? तो ये पूरा paint होके आया हुआ है. My owner has already painted like the whitewash करके दिया हुआ. So this is like a sugar nut kind of yellowish cream color, not pure white. और ceiling को pure white color है. Keep that in mind कि जो आप paint पहले use कर रहे हो वही type का paint use करो. तो this is Royal and मैंने 200 ml के डब्बे लाए हुए हैं. I went to Asian Paints and got the necessary stuff, which I will show you in a bit. For now, let's start with drawing our dhacha and like doing the pre-paint process. Where is the seal? ये देखो इधर जा रहा है हाथ को तो ओपन. Can you see this? ये जो है. How to remove it? उसको छुरी ना भैया.
One eternity later.
Guys, we are frustrated because ये जो 2 स्टील वाले डब्बे हैं, आई डोंट नो हाउ टू ओपन देम, और 1 घंटा हो गया हम लोग इसको फिगर आउट नहीं कर पा रहे. सो वी आर जस्ट लाइक एफिंग दैट टॉपिक. ये वाले जो 3 डब्बे हैं दैट वी हैड पैक्ड इन नॉर्मल बॉक्स, तो वो डब्बा खुल गया. नॉर्मल डब्बे होते हैं वैसे, ये नहीं खुल रहे तो हम इनको अभी नहीं कर रहे कुछ. ये वाला लाइट शेड है वो मैंने निकाला हुआ है. दिस विल पोर इन दिस थिंग. लेट मी स्टार्ट पेंटिंग. Alright, you will need this flat brush so that आप जो edges या फिर जो curve है वहाँ पे इसको अच्छे से use कर पाओ and the edges are pretty crisp. Also you will need this tray and some rollers. Keep in mind that rollers won't work near the arch. You have to put your best foot forward when it comes to freehand drawing or painting rather. And yeah, that's what we are doing. And then ना हमने थोड़ी गलती कर दी, पानी mix कर दिया इसमें, and because of that the paint was dripping. Guys, this is not going as planned. It's 9:30. हमने चालू किया था 6:45 बजे and हमारा 1.5-2 घंटा तो वो मैप करने में ही चले गया. And now we are painting it and it's not as easy as it looks. How frustrated are you?
Not as much as you.
Nice one.
You sure about this? This बस काला कलर नीचे गिरेगा अभी इसमें. Be careful.
Now keep in mind that you cannot paint adjacent sides, okay? You have to paint alternate corners. For example, हमने left वाला paint किया, उसके बाद मैंने बीच का छोड़ा and then I'm painting this bigger one. So make sure that you are letting it dry completely. फिर peel off करना है आपको tape and then बीच का आपको paint करना है without the tape because you cannot stick the tape on the colored part, right? I hope you guys are understanding what I'm trying to explain. Basically जो बीच का होगा ना वो थोड़ा tricky होगा, so you have to be careful. Alright, it's the next day एंड हमारी सुबह कुछ अच्छी नहीं शुरू हुई है बिकॉज वेन वी पील्ड ऑफ द टेप्स पूरा पेंट ड्रिप हो गया था अंदर से एंड द एजेस आर हॉरेबल and yeah, it's just me painting it, and I have decided to not tape it and just wing it with my hands. And let me just tell you, I'm doing a pretty good job. Just by the way, ये टेप वेप कुछ नहीं है काम की, चुपचाप सीधा हाथ से करो और फ्रस्ट्रेशन कम करो. So this is how the final wall was looking like. I customized the colors according to my choice and liking. I wanted this green and orange का combo. And then मैंने IKEA से 2 ledges लिए हैं जिसका लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूँगी. And मैंने थोड़े उनको ऊपर नीचे लगाया है so that it just gives that more artistic vibe. And then I got these creepers from Mr. DIY जो मैं stick करी हूँ इन पे. Now I didn't want to keep it very plain and simple जैसे वो पिक्चर में दिखाया था. मुझे मेरा टच ऐड करना था. And I had these प्लांट्स जो मैंने मेरे पिछले स्टूडियो में भी थे. आई हैव ट्राइड टू रिसाइकल अ लॉट ऑफ स्टफ, तो मैंने वो किया. आई हैड अ स्पेयर गद्दा फ्रॉम माई प्रीवियस स्टूडियो, तो मैंने उसके ऐसे छोटे छोटे गद्दे बनाए एंड उसको मैंने ग्रीन कलर के नए कवर्स सिलवाए सो दैट इट मैचेस द वॉल. एंड दिस इज हाउ द वॉल लुक्स लाइक यू गाइज. आई एम सुपर हैप्पी विद द आउटकम. Do not mind the situation of my hair, you guys. They are due for a wash. But yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. This is how the wall looks like. And ये गिर गए हैं वो साइड के creepers. It keeps falling because यहाँ पे wind बहुत ज़्यादा है. But yeah, I hope you liked it. And do recreate it if you want. You can choose different color combinations as well. So मेरा basic ये idea था that I wanted to keep everything neutral in the hall. And major color in the hall is grey. Like the beanbag is grey, my sofa is grey. And this corner I wanted to keep very colorful, but yet I wanted to like make it cohesive and like make sure that it matches other elements of the hall. So that's why मैंने grey color के different type के cushions लिए. Taken different patterns as you guys can see so that it adds more texture. Wow, look at me talking all aesthetic. But yeah, the card memory is gone. I'll see you next time. Until then, stay positive and stay happy.